Elevate your flooring prep with Fine Finish Patch, a game changer for high moisture applications. Crafted to perfection, this product delivers a smooth finish over concrete subfloors, ensuring an impeccable foundation for your flooring project. What sets our Fine Finish Patch apart is its lightning fast drying time. You can install floor coverings in as little as 15 minutes, saving you valuable time and getting you closer to enjoying your new floors. Whether it's a feather edge up to a half-inch application, this patch excels. Mixing is a breeze. You can retemper it multiple times without adding water, extending your working time. Plus, you'll love the convenience of no priming for most applications. Each 10-pound bag provides approximately 36 square feet of coverage at an 1/8 inch thickness, eliminating the need for moisture testing. Upgrade your flooring game with Fine Finish Patch, the ultimate solution for a smooth, moisture-resistant surface without the time. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike.